Introducing the Orion XTRPRO-SW12D4, 12-inch subwoofer designed to deliver massive bass with precision and power. With 800 watts RMS and 3200 watts peak power, this subwoofer is built to hit hard and stay clean, even at high volumes. It's the only shallow subwoofer in the world that can be reconed, so easy to restore that you simply remove the damaged recone and replace it using a special pin guide system that aligns everything instantly. At the center, a UV-coated paper and fiber blend cone delivers stiffness and sound accuracy, while a polypropylene dust cap adds stability and structure. Surrounding the cone, a high-quality NBR rubber surround allows for extended excursion and long-lasting performance. It's powered by a ceramic magnet and built around a heavy-duty frame for strength and durability. Nickel-plated push terminals ensure easy, secure connections every time. With a 3-inch mounting depth and an 11.81-inch cutout diameter, it's designed to fit where traditional woofers can't. With a sensitivity of 84 dB and a frequency response from 22 Hz to 150 Hz, it brings deep, controlled bass that elevates your sound system. The woofer ring is stamped with the Orion logo, a subtle but bold touch that reflects its heritage, crafted from durable rubber to provide both style and protection. It's built around a stamped steel basket, uniquely styled to match the XTR series aesthetic. The basket isn't just aggressive in appearance, it's engineered with extensive ventilation throughout, reducing heat buildup and improving efficiency during heavy use. Built to perform, engineered to fit, the Orion XTRPRO-SW12D4 shallow subwoofer brings the bass, no matter the space. Orion high-performance car audio.